What makes a good character? A good character should be well developed and relatable. They should be dynamic, changing throughout the story, rather than stale, staying the same. A good character should also have strengths and weaknesses that make them human and interesting, like superpowers. Now, let's explore the 4 key elements that can make up a character. 1. Physical appearance. This includes their age, gender, physical features such as hair color or height. 2. Personal traits. These are the qualities that make up who your character is. They can be positive traits like bravery or negative like jealousy. 3. Role/job. Each character has a job or a role that gives them sense of purpose and responsibility in life. They could be a doctor, police officer, teacher, parent, or even a superhero. 4. Goals and motivations. What does your character want? What drives them to act certain ways? Now that I have gone over 4 key elements that help make up a character, it's time to let your imagination run wild. We're going to introduce 2 new characters into our short story. If you already included some characters, that's great. We will just sprinkle a little more creativity on them to bring them more to life. Now, take the short story you have written about discovering a mysterious door in your house and entering a hidden world, and think about who you might encounter on this journey. What would these characters look like? How would they behave? What do they do? Let your creativity guide you as you bring these characters to life in your story. Here is my example. As I step into the mysterious space behind the hidden door, my hands are shaking and I'm excited and a little scared. I can hear weird voices coming from a shadowy corner, and suddenly a door opens up and it is very bright. A tall, pretty woman in a flowing dress approaches, her blue eyes shining and her long black hair flows down her back. She smells like sweet flowers and greets me with a warm smile. The woman introduces herself as Aura, the garden princess, and asks if I have come to enter the magical garden. With her guidance, I step through the bright doorway into a beautiful garden filled with vibrant flowers and flowering trees. Before I can take it all in, a small purple elf-like man in a gold suit and black shoes hurries over to us and cheerfully introduces himself as Boba, the garden helper. "Welcome to the magical garden," he says with a grin. So starting off where you left off at, after entering the hidden room, what 2 new characters do you meet? Give a quick description of your 2 characters. Here are my 2 characters. Aura, a tall, pretty woman with long black hair who is friendly and is a garden princess. And Boba, a small, cheerful purple elf man in a gold suit and black shoes who is a garden helper. Now, after describing 2 characters, I would like for you to click the link to access the discussion and write them in the comment section under character creations. Boy, oh boy, I know we have some cool creative characters to read all about, and I can't wait to check them out.